Today I'm going to give you a complete locals guide to living in Bowling Green, Maryland. We're going to cover the top things to do, my favorite parks, the top rated schools, and go over some helpful stats about the area. Don't forget to check out the full article I wrote to go along with this video on livinginmaryland.com, the #1 resource for finding the perfect Maryland city that meets your unique needs. All right, let's talk about Bowling Green. This small, unincorporated community is nestled right outside of Cumberland in Allegheny County, and it's one of those places where life is simple, quiet, and centered around community. If you're looking for a spot that combines affordability, a laid-back lifestyle, and proximity to bigger town amenities, Bowling Green might just be the perfect fit. First off, let's talk about location. Bowling Green is right next to Cumberland, so you get all the perks of a small town vibe while being just a few minutes from shopping, restaurants, and entertainment in downtown Cumberland. It's kind of like having the best of both worlds, peace and quiet when you want it, but easy access to more activity when you need it. Now let's move on to things to do in and around Bowling Green. Since it's so close to Cumberland, you're just a short drive away from attractions like the Western Maryland Scenic Railroad. If you haven't done it before, this train ride is a must. It takes you through the mountains, and the views are especially stunning in the fall when the leaves are changing. You can even opt for themed rides like murder mystery nights or holiday events. Another highlight nearby is the C&O Canal National Historical Park. You can walk or bike along the towpath, which stretches for miles along the Potomac River. It's a great spot for outdoor lovers who want to explore or just get some fresh air. For those into history, you'll love the connection Bowling Green has to the region's past. Being right next to Cumberland, you'll find a lot of historical sites to visit. Fort Cumberland and Emmanuel Episcopal Church are great examples of the area's rich heritage. And for something totally unique, head to the Allegheny Museum, which dives deep into the history of the region. All right, let's talk about outdoor activities. There are a couple of nearby parks that are perfect for getting outside and enjoying the beautiful Maryland scenery. Constitution Park in Cumberland is just minutes away and has hiking trails, picnic areas, and even a swimming pool. And if you're looking for more of a wilderness vibe, Rocky Gap State Park is a short drive away. It's got a lake for kayaking, trails for hiking, and even a small beach area. It's the kind of place where you can spend an entire day and never get bored. Now, when it comes to food, Bowling Green and the surrounding area have plenty of options. You'll find local diners serving up comfort food and spots in Cumberland for a more upscale dining experience. Diatri's is a popular spot for Italian food, and Queen City Creamery is a must for anyone with a sweet tooth. Let's talk schools. Bowling Green is part of the Allegheny County Public Schools system. Most students in the area attend Braddock Middle School and Allegheny High School. These schools are well rated and offer a variety of extracurricular programs from sports to arts and music. When it comes to housing, Bowling Green is incredibly affordable. The median home price here is under $100,000, which makes it one of the more budget-friendly spots in Maryland. The area has a mix of charming older homes with plenty of character and some newer options as well. Whether you're looking for a cozy house with a yard or a fixer-upper with tons of potential, Bowling Green has options for just about everyone. Here's a fun fact about Bowling Green. Did you know that it got its name because it was originally a large open area used for playing lawn bowling? The name stuck, and while you might not see many lawn bowling games today, the name reminds us of the community's laid-back roots. One of the things people love most about Bowling Green is its sense of community. It's the kind of place where neighbors know each other, and there's always a friendly wave as you pass by. Local events in nearby Cumberland, like the Christmas parade or summer festivals, bring everyone together and create that tight-knit feel. To sum it all up, Bowling Green is a quiet, affordable community that's perfect for anyone looking for a simpler way of life. With its proximity to Cumberland, outdoor activities, and budget-friendly housing, it's a hidden gem in Western Maryland. Don't forget to check out the full article I wrote for this area with additional links and resources on livinginmaryland.com, along with articles for hundreds of other Maryland cities. Our mission is to help you find the best city in Maryland that meets your unique needs. If you would like to have a conversation with one of our local real estate experts, just fill out the contact form below to get started.